Hey everyone, today we will solve the problem of implementing two stacks in one array. So how can we solve this? Let's jump to my whiteboard. So to implement one stack in an array, what do you do? Suppose there is just one array given. To implement one stack in an array, you can simply start pushing the element from the beginning of an array, right? Like suppose this is the array that is provided to you. Now first, you will put the element in the first index, then second, you will push here, then third, you will push here, and so on. So you track the index of the last element that you have pushed, that will be your top. So with every push, for example, let's say fourth element, you increment the top, so this will be your new top. And with every pop, that is when you are removing it, you will decrement the top. That is your new top will be here, right? So that is how you will implement the one stack in an array. This one stack can also be implemented another way, like instead of starting from the beginning, what if we start to fill from the end? What I'm saying is, first fill here, second element fill here, third element fill here. So in this case, now your top. So with every push, your top will decrement, and with every pop, your top will increment. Make sense? So what if only one array is given? So what if we have to build two stacks? So what we can do is we can build one stack from the left end, like we have done in the case 1, and we can build another stack from the right end, like we did in the case 2, right? Now, while filling these stacks in the same array, there is also a chance that they might overlap. What I mean is, suppose the size of our array is 5, so it can have only 5 elements. Now stack 1, let's say it fills 2, 3. Now stack 2 fills, let's say 1, 2, 3. Now this will be our top 2 and this will be our top 1. Now if any of these stacks start or try to push another element, then they will overwrite. Like this is something like if a second stack tries to push, then it will push it onto the first stack. So here we have this array. So we have built a size of array of size 100 so that that overlap issue won't come. Then top one, it will track the left stack, basically the one which is which we start filling from the left end of the array. So since initially there is no element, so it will be pointing to -1. Similarly, the second stack, its top two will be pointing to the rightmost end, that is size, right? Now, when we are pushing the element onto the stack 1, what we will be doing is first we will increment top one, and then because we are the top one is at the left end, so first we will increment it, and then we will add this value. So array of this top one will be x. Since we have incremented top one first and then we are putting it here, so we can combine these two steps. So these two can be like we can write something like this. Like top one will be first incremented, and then array of this value array like this position will be filled with x. Similarly, in case of stack 2, now top 2 is at the rightmost end, so it will actually be decremented. So similar manner, minus minus top 2 equals x. So when we are popping, so first we also have to return that element. So this element will be array of top 1, and then top 1 will be decreased because it is from the left end of the array. So minus minus top 1, and then we return yeah. We can combine these three steps by using in one line like this. How it will work? So first array of top one will be captured, top one will be decremented, and then what value was captured, that will be returned. Similarly, when we are doing pop2, now in this case, it is from the right end of the array, so top 2 should be incremented. So in similar manner, it will be top 2 plus plus. And that should be it. Let's try running it. Okay, there is some issue. Let's see what is the issue. It says pops element from first stack and returns the pop. If first stack is empty, it should return -1. So I did not consider the case where our stack is empty, but the pop is called. So in those cases, so in case of stack 1, when will it be empty? When the top will be -1. So what we can check here, if top 1 is -1, then return -1. And similarly, in case of top 2 equals size, that is for the second stack, return -1. Now it should work. And let's try to submit it. And that's how we solve this problem. You can find the code link in the description or the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.